Landon, look. That train. Tell everyone in Missouri where we're at. We ran down to the park to see the sunset, but this train's coming by, but this is where the US Open's going to be next year. For any of you guys watching and know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Landon, we're going to go to the train? And Landon's wearing his Cardinals jersey. Landon, can you say go Cardinals?
Go Cardinals!
Yeah! That's a big train. Careful. Alright, I guess I'll turn this off. I just wanted you guys to see how pretty it was. Alright, Landon. Say bye.